start the training at 4 in the morning and it goes till 9 at night. When they start the training, they put a little bit of ghee in their eyes, a little bit of oil. Ghee. Right. In the eyes to keep their eyeballs rolling, because there's lots of eye movement in this dance, so the oil helps. And it also protects their eyes when they move. It's so, yeah.
Can you see Paulina? Can you see
Just
his
see
eyes?
how he's moving his eyes, clockwise, anti-clockwise. And you will be seeing more of it during the assembly. It takes 2.5 hours to 3 hours to do the makeup and get dressed up. It's all natural colors, so they are not harmful at all.
I saw some pictures where he wasn't doing it on his own.
Yes, the outlining is done when we started at 8:30 in the morning. He did the outlining himself, and then the details of the makeup was done by another artist. And now the final touches he is doing himself. If you see on the screen, there's a person dancing. He is the teacher of Kathakali Center, and he came here to American School 10 years back when we had the India Week theme as Performing Arts of India. He came here 10 years back and he performed. This is a recording of that.
Sadanam Balakrishnan,
Sadanam Balakrishnan ji.
principal of the Kathakali.
He is the principal now of the Kathakali Center.
Drawing on the face by the artist himself. Then he lies down flat in front
Just
of
pass
the
on that picture.
makeup artist, and the makeup artist will convert him as a character.
I have a question.
But when you put on the costume, doesn't it like smudge the...
Facial makeup. What is that?
Costume
नहीं ऊपर से नहीं, जैसा आप ये पहना है ये देखिए, no, kindly look, not from the head you are wearing, it will not touch the face.
questions.
Sorry.
Questions.
Why doesn't someone do it for him? So it's
Pardon?
Yeah, this man in the beard, he did it for him all this time.
He is our chief makeup artist and costume designer.
He's just doing the final touches, but the rest of the makeup he did.
why doesn't he do all of it?
Eh?
Why doesn't he do all of it?
Why do you do all of it?
Why?
Doesn't he?
Otherwise
Why is he
you...
doing it?
Why is he doing it? Why doesn't he do
Because
the
No,
final
no.
touches?
Meanwhile, I am doing the another character's makeup. So that today is not like that, but
No.
every
Today, yes, no, I'll tell. Today, here got only one artist. Suppose a program is there. There may be 3 or 4 artists on whom he is to do the makeup. So if he is going to touch this final touch, he won't be getting tight.
For other artists. So they are used to doing
They
their
are,
own makeup also.
all the artists are used to it.
If you make a mistake, then how do you erase it? Wash it.
What if it washes all of it off?
Then you do it again. Do it again.
Takes 3 hours.
Let the experts answer the question. If it's a mistake,
If you make a huge
What's it?
mistake, then how do you erase it?
If they make a mistake in the makeup, how do they erase it?
They will not make a mistake, that is the first thing. Because of their long-term training. They are accustomed to it. Even if a small thing is done, that can be erased. And which will not occur. There should not be a question like that.
was made of rice and coconut oil. And when they did the drawing paper, they cut
But
it
what
in
is
shape. That's a drawing paper. And he cut it in that shape. Yeah, he just twisted the corners.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
What, why, what sort of character is he exactly?
He is a green makeup. Pacha, in Kathakali language it is known as Pacha, green. His face is painted green, isn't it? Green character, that is a good character. When he is dressed, he will be looking like this.
We need to say thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing the performance. Can we say thank you? Thank you. Look forward to the performance later today.
The makeup that we are going to watch now is being done for a Kathakali dance drama. This comes from the state of Kerala in South India. And Katha means story and Kali means play. So the Kathakali means story play. And the person who is going to perform today is applying green color on his face, and green in Kathakali means good character. He'll be portraying good character. And if you put red color on your face, that portrays bad character. And he is using all the natural colors made of natural stone mixed with coconut oil. So it doesn't hurt their skin.
The paint that he's putting on is made out with crushed stones and coconut oil. And if you paint your face red, it means that you're a bad guy. And if you paint it green, a good guy. Very good.
And there are pictures coming around while you're listening to show what it looks like, okay?
Yeah. It takes 2.5 to 3 hours to get him ready, do all the makeup and clothes. He'll be ready in 3 hours. So we started at 8:30 in the morning, and he did the outlining of the makeup himself, and then the detailed makeup was done by the other artist.
Makeup artist.
Okay, that gentleman is the makeup artist. Namaste. So he is the one who did most of the makeup.
Yeah. And this person was lying down and he did all the details.
So
And then-
they lie down here?
Yes. Yes.
So the person would lie down here. Oh, and he has the stones. So the
Yes.
stones that you crunch, it would have been so great if the kids saw
Well, so
that.
before
Yeah,
he
yeah, show the
starts,
yellow stone. This is the stone, natural stone, which was used mixed with coconut oil.
Then he lies down.
Crunch the stone.
yeah, can I just see that?
He lies down flat on the ground.
And he lies down and they paint the
Well,
faces.
before he lies down, here's what happens, guys. This
with my
shows you the artist, that means he's the dancer. He's going to dance. So when he starts his makeup, he will make the outline of what has to be painted on his face himself. So he makes the outline. Then he lies down, and then this gentleman is the makeup artist, and he then starts to put the paint on. And then the finishing touches means, can you see that his face is mostly painted already? Finishing touches means when you just put the last few lines and just make it all final. So he's got this big this mask here stuck, which Miss Chinu will tell you
He
about.
used glue on his face. That glue was made of rice powder and coconut oil mixed. So he put lot of glue on his face, and the drawing paper was cut in a specific shape, and then that was put on the glue.
So the white thing is paper.
Paper, that's simple drawing paper. Can you pass the drawing paper?
Well,
Just simple drawing paper that you use in.
These are the
So
what you are using
the
the
regular paper on which you draw.
there is no special.
He cut it in a specific shape and made the edges little thicker, so then it became stiff. And when they start their training, they start at 4 in the morning and it goes till 9 at night. And at the beginning of the training, they put little bit of ghee in the eyes, which is little bit of oil, to keep the eyeballs rolling. And because they have to do a lot of eye movement in this dance, and they move it like clockwise, anti-clockwise, vertical, horizontal. Can you show a little bit of the eye movement?
Okay, watch his eyes.
Just a little
look at
bit.
the eyes.
And
Just
we
watch
see
the
more
eyes.
of it during the assembly.
Melina, can you see? Otherwise, get up and go that side.
Practice. So this is what is practice at
थोड़ा
4
सा
o'clock.
राइट को टर्न करके भी दिखा
At 4 o'clock. And while
Can you guys see? Natural, can you see? Otherwise, you get up and go to the back. That's it. So we had a question. Is the paper put after the makeup is done?
Today in the morning, everyone had the opportunity to see the beginning, the middle, or toward the end of putting on the makeup for Kathakali. Now, Kathakali comes from which state of India? Kerala. Yeah, Kerala. And it is perhaps the oldest theater and dance form. It has the most elaborate expression with the eyes and the hands. And today we're very, very fortunate to have the Kathakali Center of Delhi, which is possibly the best institution in the whole country, who's going to introduce us to some of the exercises, the basics, and the dances of Kathakali. We have the musicians. On vocal, we have Mr. Kotakal Jayan, and the name is always from the place where they were trained, so he's from Kotakal. And then we have on mandala, the percussion, Mr. Parasini Kadav Panoj. I can't say it right. Parasini Kadav Panoj. And very, very famous acting director of the Kathakali Center is on the Chenda, Mr. Kalamandalam Unikrishnan. And yes, he's the acting principal while the principal has chickenpox in Kerala. And makeup, you met earlier today, a wonderful man, Kalamandalam Kunikrishnan. No artist can go anywhere without him because he has to do the makeup for them. You can't do it yourself. And green room assistant Satyanarayan Chaudhary. And the troupe leader, Mr. P.G. Pillai. And the most important person, the dancer, Mr. Evor Rajendran Pillai. Let's welcome all of them. Now, Mr. Pillai will now introduce some of the exercises of eyes and face that are practiced for many, many years. Starting much younger than you, they get up about 4 in the morning and they go out and they practice these so they have full control of every single muscle. And now Mr. Pillai will explain.
respected teachers and dear students, Namaskar. We welcome you for a demonstration. The workshop we have seen in the first session, full makeup procedure, and now we will be showing some eye exercises and facial muscle exercises. Evur Rajendran Pillai, senior most Kathakali dancer / teacher of our institution, will be showing the demonstration. Let us see the eye movements. First, the eyeball movements, circular as well as circular, once clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Kindly watch.
Watch the eye movement, circular and anti-clockwise.
The other way around. Now horizontal, left to right and right to left. Now vertical, up and down. Let us see facial muscle exercises. First of all, let us see the eyebrow, movements of eyebrow.
He's showing all of the facial movements starting from eyebrows.
Eyelids.
Eyelids.
Now the cheeks muscles. See the vibration of the cheek. Of the cheek muscles. See the vibration. Lips.
The lips.
Neck. Shoulder. Now students, now according to Natya Shastra, there are 9 basic bhavas. There is 9 basic rasas. Let us see these 9 basic rasas one by one, how these rasas are shown in Kathakali.
In ancient India, 2,000 years ago, there was a book written talking about dance and drama. And it says that all of the many, many, many emotions come out of 9 basic or core emotions or flavors. And he's going to show these 9 different basic emotions. And the first one he'll show will be love.
Sringara, how love is being enacted in Kathakali as a male character as well as a female character. Now it is a male character in Kathakali. In Kathakali, the characters, they don't speak verbally. So everything is expressed through mudra, through the facial movements and body movements. A female character acting the same love. Hasya, humor.
This is laughing, humor.
Karuna, grief, sorrow, sadness. Raudra, anger. Veeram, heroic. Bhayanakam, fear. Vivarta, disgust. Adbhuta, wonder. Shantam, peace. Complete tranquility of the mind. In Kathakali, I told you earlier, the characters of Kathakali, they don't speak verbally. For that, we have got a gestural language known as mudras. And these mudras are, in other words, alphabets of Kathakali. In English, we have got 26 letters. In Kathakali, we have got 24 mudras, that is 24 letters. And we make words from the letters. So these 24 mudras are Padagam, Mudrakyam, Kadagam, Mushti, Kattari Mukham, Chukadundam, Kapitagam, Amsabaksham, Shikaram, Amsasyam, Anjali, Arthachandram, Muguram, Brahmaram, Tuji Mukham, Pallavam, Tripatagam, Mriga Swirsam, Sarpa Shirasa, Vardhamanakam, Aralam, Purnanabham, Mukulam and Kadagamukam. These are the 24 letters known as mudras in Kathakali. And with the letters we make words. How a peacock is shown by using this mudra. Peacock. In other languages it is said. In English we say peacock. But in Kathakali, peacock is shown. A deer. Any word, thank you, any word can be shown. I will request you students, one amongst you can say a word which he will enact and show it to you. You can say any word, flower, tree, elephant, any word. Yes? Lion, a lion. Yes. Come on. Say. Huh?
Peacock we just saw. What's another? Yes. A dog.
A dog. A dog.
Yes. A from Australia. Can you choose an animal from India? Elephant. Elephant.
An elephant.
If you're shouting, we won't be able to hear, and there's so many animals. We'll do one more animal before we have a story. Oh, a monkey, a monkey. For Mr. Clark, a monkey.
Monkey. Now, thank you very much. Now listen, listen carefully. I am going to tell a small story which you should listen and understand. Then only you will be able to see and enjoy. Now Bhimasena that is from Mahabharata. The story is Kalyana Saugandhiyam. He is going in search of a flower through the jungle. And he is making so much noise by breaking the branches of the trees and all to make his way. Hanuman, his co-brother, is doing the penance in Kadalivana. That is the place where Hanuman is doing penance. And that area is very peaceful. Even the animals, they don't struggle, they don't fight each other. It is very peaceful. But his penance is disturbed by the sounds made by Bhimasena. From that, but he comes to know, Hanuman comes to know that Bhimasena is coming. Actually, Bhimasena is his co-brother. Both are the sons of wind god. So Hanuman wanted to teach a lesson to Bhimasena, and he changes in the form of a very old monkey and lies on the path of Bhimasena. Bhimasena, when comes, he sees an old monkey on the path. He says, or he is ordering to get away from the path. Let us see this scene.
വഴിയിൽ നിന്നു പോകാൻ मंगलम रामाय रामभद्राय रामचंद्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताय सीताय पदये नमः।
Thank you very, very much. In the story, you saw the great hero being the biggest hero of all of his 5 brothers. And when he was in the forest and he saw an old monkey, and he said, "Monkey, get out of the way, don't you know who I am?" And he didn't know the monkey was really Hanuman. And you know who Hanuman was. He was the great monkey general from the Ramayana story, and he was the son of the wind, just like Bhim. So he tricked his brother and paid a lesson on him. But this is one of the stories. So, boys and girls, we've had a very special opportunity to see one of the greatest dance dramas in the whole world that comes from South India, from Kerala. And let me just introduce the artists again. The main artist, Mr. Evur Rajendra Pillai. And the musicians, Kotakal Jayan Vokal, Kalamandalam Unikrishnan Chandrai, and Parasumikaram Manoj Mandala. Mr. Kalamandalam Unikrishnan, who did the makeup and costumes, Satyanarayan Chaudhary, who helped, and Mr. P.G. Pillai, the food manager. Let's give him a big, big hand. Thank you. When you visit the exhibition next time, you'll see 3 walls, 3 panels of pictures of Kathakali dance, and you'll recognize Mr. Unikrishnan for sure, and maybe some others from the pictures that are there. Okay, so have a wonderful rest of your India week. And let's give him another big hand. It was so good.
Cedric.
If anybody wants a photograph, come up quickly. He'll stay in his costume. Come up just now to take your
We can
picture.
go that way. Cedric. Sorry, I need to.